In this video, we are going to focus on quadrant 3 of the coordinate plane, which is in the bottom left-hand corner of the coordinate plane. In your foldable, you will want to take all of the notes in the flap that is in the bottom left-hand corner of your foldable. When you open up that flap, you should see this right here. Now, hopefully you'll notice that along the x-axis in the third quadrant, all of the values are negative. And similarly, with the y-axis, all of the values are also negative for the third quadrant. This means that in your ordered pair, both the x and the y coordinates are going to be negative. So your ordered pair will have two negative numbers. Let's take a look at our first plot point for this quadrant, which is going to go right here. This is plot point I, that's its name, and to get to this point from the origin, we must go 5½ spaces to the left along the x-axis, and then we need to go 3 spaces down along the y-axis. So that means that our plot point coordinates are going to be -5½ for the x-coordinate and -3 for the y-coordinate. Let's look at another one right here. This will be plot point J, and to get to J from the origin we must go 2 to the left and down 4. So that means our x-coordinate is -2 and our y-coordinate is -4. Now I'm going to give you the plot point K, and I want you to name, or not name, but tell me the ordered pair for that plot point. So let me go ahead and plot it on the graph real quick. I've gone ahead and put plot point K on the graph. Your job is to write the ordered pair right here in the plot section of your notes. So pause your video, write the ordered pair, and then you may press play to check your answer. The ordered pair for plot K is -6½ -7. So -6½ is your x-coordinate and -7 is your y-coordinate. I've given you one final plot point for quadrant 3. Its name is plot L. I want you to go ahead and see if you can determine the ordered pair for this plot point and write it in your notes right here. So go ahead and pause the video and then you can press play again to check. If you said -2, -9 was the ordered pair for that plot point, then you are correct. If not, make any corrections that you need to make on your graph and you can go ahead and move on to quadrant 4.